Alright, troubleshooting part 2. Heat, I guess, which is for glow plug. If this has a glow plug, I don't know. Haven't seen one in the manual, but got the injector back in. That was pumping. That's the on position as far as I'm concerned. Oil's up. I don't see any oil warning light or nothing that would cause it to turn off or not start, because it won't start. So let's go ahead and start it. It kicks a couple times, but it just won't go. Pretty frustrating. It's done this, tried to start it like 10 times. It's just like it's not getting heat in there. So that's that. That's where we're at. I don't think the air filter cover would have anything to do with that. Thoughts and suggestions, we'll start working from there. Thanks.